Crypto market retreats. Bitcoin down 8% since peak ahead of Powell's Jackson Hole remarks. Bitcoin. Crypto market. Over $450 million in crypto positions were liquidated in 24 hours, with Ethereum and Bitcoin leading losses as overleveraged longs were wiped out. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 20, 2025. Bitcoin slipped below $113,000 on Wednesday, dragging the broader crypto market lower as traders braced for Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's address at Jackson Hole. The sector shed 1.5% to $3.9 trillion. With Ethereum, XRP and Solana all in the red. The world's largest cryptocurrency is now down about 8% sent from its record above $124,000 last week. Ethereum eased 1.2% on the day to $4,162, while XRP fell 3.2% to $2.90. The drop follows a period of heavy profit-taking that gathered momentum after Bitcoin's sharp rally earlier this month. Traders face $450 million wipeout as Ethereum leads liquidations. Market value to realized value, a gauge of unrealized gains, climbed to 21% last week, showing that most holders were sitting on substantial profits. That created strong incentives to sell, analysts said. Liquidations also intensified during the downturn in the last 24 hours. Data from CoinGlass showed that more than 128,000 traders were wiped out in the past 24 hours, with total losses amounting to $450.7 million. Ethereum led the wave with nearly $175 million liquidated, followed by Bitcoin at $101 million. Long positions made up the bulk of the wipeouts, accounting for over $373 million. Showing how overleveraged bullish bets were forced out as prices retreated. Markets expect caution from Powell amid fragile outlook. The pullback comes just 2 days before Powell's keynote in Wyoming. Investors are watching closely for signals on whether the Fed is prepared to cut rates in September or remain focused on inflation. July's economic data painted a mixed picture, with headline consumer prices slowing to 2.7%. But core inflation edging up to 3.1% and producer prices rising 3.3%. The combination of cooling job growth and persistent price pressures has stirred stagflation concerns, complicating the Fed's decision. Bitcoin has often reacted sharply to Powell's words at Jackson Hole. In 2022, a hawkish speech that reaffirmed tightening led to a 10% weekly drop. Market watchers expect Powell to tread carefully this year, avoiding a clear rate cut pledge but leaving room to adjust if inflation trends weaken. Institutional flows seen offsetting short-term market weakness. Dom Hars, co-founder of Bitcoin DeFi protocol BOB, said the retreat is little more than a pause after record highs. This short-term correction is really just noise, a minor distraction from the fact that Bitcoin and, particularly Bitcoin DeFi, are undeniably rising, he said. He pointed to continued institutional demand as a key driver. Mainstream and institutional adoption will continue to be a driving force behind Bitcoin, as institutions continue to accumulate the crypto asset. This will also drive technological developments in Bitcoin DeFi, he said. Meanwhile, Ruslan Lienka, chief of markets at uHodler, said it is too early to judge where the correction will settle. The current correction is still unfolding, and it remains uncertain at which levels it will ultimately stabilize, he said. Medium-term investors seen securing profits as markets look stretched. Lienka warned that weakness in equities could deepen the slide. A significant correction in equity markets, for example, could trigger a deeper pullback in Bitcoin as well. That said, it is true that Bitcoin's historical volatility has been gradually declining over time, he added. He said profit-taking reflects caution rather than lost confidence. Profit-taking is indeed occurring at the moment, and in many cases it reflects disciplined risk management. This is particularly true in the current environment, where institutional discussions increasingly emphasize that we may be entering the later stages of the bull market. Fund managers have voiced concerns that U.S. stocks are overvalued, encouraging some to lock in gains in crypto. Lienka said this trend is more about portfolio balance than outright bearishness. While long-term investors are generally less affected by these short-term dynamics, those operating within medium-term horizons, such as 2 to 3 year cycles, often adopt relative strategies that encourage them to secure gains when markets look stretched, he said. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Your phone can now mine crypto. XRP mining app turns smartphones into daily miners. Why is crypto down today? August 19, 2025 XRP price prediction. SEC ETF decision pushed to October 2025. Bullish or bearish? Blockchain news. Thailand launches crypto-to-bot payment system for tourists starting August 18. 3 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Altcoin news. Altcoin season shock. These 3 coins could make portfolios pop if rotation holds. 2 days ago. By Hongji Feng. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 18, 2025. Crypto market turns bearish as Bitcoin tests $115,000. XRP slips below $3. 2 days ago. By Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 7 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 4 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 14 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.